Smash, you're looking pretty cool. Look over here. You ready to play with water? Yeah, yeah. Hi. While they continue to play outside, I'm gonna keep working on the van. Let's make some progress. I'm gonna see if I can get the floors completely done today. If I can, that's gonna be a huge win. So I just gotta finish framing, adding some more wood to the floor here, add the installation, the foam board, and then put the original floor back on. Let's see how much I can get done. Gotta line it up like this. Yeah, like that. Just like that. Cái đầu giờ nó中間啲咯，係咯。呢個冇鞋落，呢個少少唔 fit 添啊。We're done framing the floors now. Next step is to put the foam boards on. I'm gonna start cutting the foam boards to fit inside these little rectangles and squares that's on the floor. And then we should be done with floors. This material isn't too hard to work with. We used to use the styrofoam type, and that was like really messy. This is like, I mean, you get little pieces here and there, but overall it's not too bad. Let's continue making cuts and we'll fill the whole floor up. Okay. Yeah, first try. For the second one. We should put the fan in here, now that no one's outside. I'm done cutting all the foam to the floor here. Every single section has been covered, with the exception of the one under the bench seat, because that is half an inch higher than the regular floor. I have another piece there that I can cut smaller into and make it into that section. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the original Mercedes floor on the back first, so I can take off the bench seat, put it here so I can fit that last piece there. So let's move the original flooring back. to this back section first. Oh, before I put it back, there's something that I need to do to that floor. That floor piece fits underneath this corner right here, and because I have wood here, it's not going to slide in anymore. So I got to make a bit of a cut on that floor on both sides so that I can just lay on top of this without having to get stuck right here. That didn't record, but we got the flooring back on. Looks pretty good. Pretty good fitting. No move either. Pretty good. This is gonna be our subfloor. Alright, I gotta remove the back seat, and then we can install the other piece. Or at least I gotta cut that piece and then we'll install it. Oh. Thank you. I got this bottom piece fitted along the rails here. The last thing I need to do is on the floorboard, I gotta cut the holes to fit the new tracks, the 4 transit tracks, and also this corner here, because same thing like the back, this one slips underneath, so I gotta cut that corner out. I think this corner should be okay. Just here and the tracks. All right, let me figure that part out. I believe that the railing on this side should fit through the existing hole on the floorboard, because that's one of the bolts is where the original railing was. So I think what I can do is I can just measure the distance from this to here, and then I'll cut a hole in the floorboard based on like whatever this distance is. After 2 tries, I'm almost there. Just these little brackets are not letting this sit flush, so I gotta make small cuts right here and I should be good to go. One more time. This is the last time. Oh. Yes. Ah. Ah. All done with this floor. Finally. So it looks like I gotta do it just one more time. This piece right here, I didn't see that. So I gotta make another cut and we should be good. That should be the final time. I think this is it. This is it. Okay, I'm done. This flooring is done. I am done with this. I'm so tired. It's so heavy. All right, perfect. Perfect. I'm finally done with the floors. I just put some new tape on it, the blue lines. That's to show where the beams are, so that when I need to attach like the cabinets or whatnot to the floor beams, it'll be an extra level of security attaching it to the bottom studs there. And let me finish this one part right here, this railing on the side. I gotta make a small cut and then I'll be able to put the seats back on. What do you think, Spence? It looks good? Spence, do you approve? Give a thumbs up? Okay. Spencer just woke up from his nap. We're gonna make a Costco run. Maybe just get something to eat there. We gotta get baby wipes and stuff.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Come on.
We gotta pick up some baby wipe. And we'll pick up some food items here as well. See what else we'll find. 这个大约是到这里。I'm gonna get a pack of ribeyes, $17 a pound. This looks pretty good. Good marbling on it. Wow, look at how big this lobster tail is. This is 1.75 pounds. Yeah, $27 a pound. This is massive. I wanted to pick up a beef brisket to smoke on the smoker, but these are humongous. This is 16 pounds, this one. It's a little bit too big, but I'll find it somewhere else. And the beef back ribs looks like there's not much meat, so I'm going to pass on that too. Pick up some pork chops. Okay. Are they sealed? Alright, I'm gonna smoke this. Pork ribs. 10蚊都唔貴, $10.49. We got some yogurt tasting. Is it good? Yeah. Alright, let's take off our backpack. This is the Supreme Curry Flour Crust Pizza. Had it before, really good. $12. Pizza. So Rena's want to try these overnight oats. This is what is it, yogurt? Coconut oats. I think this is keto friendly or Rena friendly. Not much carbs in this one. Okay. Oats like it. This is good for breakfast. Alright, try this. And we're getting some whole grain bread for Rena and my mom. Looks like it's a new fruit chips, fruit crisp, freeze dry. You want to get that for Spencer, right? Alright. Spencer got one already. Over here, Spencer. Can you put it on the bottom? Okay, you gotta carry it? Okay. Oh, it's on sale. $4 off. We can get like 2 boxes. It's on sale. It's rarely on sale, this baby wipe, so let's buy 2 or 3. We're definitely gonna need more. That's all we're getting. Alright, let's go. This is our Costco haul. No, happy. Here, Spence.
No.
Put it down, please.
No.
Down here, please. I need it. We're leaving Costco now, and we're just gonna go pick up some food to eat. We're craving some Popeyes fried chicken tonight. Well, pick it up and we'll eat it back at home. This is our dinner for tonight. We got some Popeye chicken. We like the Jollibee one more, but the Popeyes are closer, so Popeyes it is. All right, this is gonna be our dinner. Eat some chicken.
No.
Maybe some French fries. No, we're all eating chicken though, Spence. Look. Very good stuff here. No? No chicken for you? Alright, you can eat something else. Hey, we did so much today. A lot of work. Really hot day. It's like 96 degrees, so very, very long and tough day. But we got the floor done. It looks really awesome. I still need to secure it to the floor, to the beams. What's that? What's that sound? Stars? Oh yeah, we saw some stars when we were outside before, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. And we're just enjoying a little ice cream, right? Ice cream? Yeah, we had some good Popeyes dinner. Spencer didn't really eat anything, but we had a good dinner. And tomorrow we're heading out to Brooklyn. Rena has to go see her doctor, and we'll do some running around. And I don't know if I'll have time to work on the van tomorrow, but if you guys want to keep watching our time in New York, designing and building our van, our DIY van, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can sprout to more people. Yes, Spencer. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Yeah! Yeah! So excited, Spence.